The centre declared 23rd Jan as Parakram Divas to mark Netaji's birth anniversary. Now, both the centre and the Bengal government will begin year-long celebrations on the day to mark Netaji's 125th birth anniversary year. And while Prime Minister Narendra Modi is expected in Kolkata on Saturday to join the celebrations, Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will hold a march in the city.
अभी तो निर्णय पराक्रम दिवस का हुआ है, वो आयोजन के रूप में मनाया जाएगा या छुट्टी होगी, ये समिति के बैठक के बाद ही कोई फैसला होगा। प्रस्ताव बहुत सारे लोगों के आए हैं, पर नाम पर भी बहुत सारे लोगों के प्रस्ताव होंगे, लेकिन जो उच्चाधिकार समिति ने नाम तय किया है वो पराक्रम दिवस है। गतिविधियां अभी तक तय हैं, आगे जो समिति तय करेगी उसके बाद हम आपको बताएंगे।
These announcements are fine. But what we really need to do on Subhash Chandra Bose's 125th birth anniversary is to bring out Netaji's inclusive ideology. You see, Subhash Chandra Bose was the only leader who united all communities, all religions, all caste and creed, and formed the Azad Hind Fauj. This is a message that we would like to give on Netaji's birth anniversary to the youth of our nation, that we must follow Netaji's ideology of inclusive politics. Otherwise, it would be extremely difficult to keep the nation united.
The TMC has called it political opportunism and claimed that the announcement, in fact, is linked to upcoming polls. Listen in.
केंद्र की घोषणा पहुंचे ना पहुंचे, it is their care, but it is their discretion. But we are not happy. Because what they have announced, I think that even some family members are also not happy, I am told. Deshonayak Divas is a Deshprem Divas or Deshonayak Divas. It's a good one.
The central government has issued a gazetted notification saying that January 23rd, which is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birthday, will now be known as Parakram Divas. How do you see this in poll-bound West Bengal when the centre has decided to declare Netaji's birthday as Parakram Divas?
We are suspicious about the timing, because this happened only 3 months before an election is due. About declaring Netaji's birthday as Parakram Divas, we are not agreeable, we are not happy with it. Because Netaji not only signified military might, he was also a leader of the nation.
Well, let's go across to my colleague Shreyasi, who got us that reaction as well from Mr. Saugata Roy, and the TMC is suspicious about the timing of this announcement.
Absolutely, Swati, and this comes at a time when the state is gearing up for elections, and we have seen how the BJP and the Trinamool Congress have been locked in a war of words over the Bengal icons. Now, here in West Bengal, there's a sentiment and also the state government's belief that Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose has not been given a due, credit for the freedom struggle. And, he hasn't been given the stature that he should deserve. And of course, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, standing here in the state, has declared already her program for Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's 125th birth anniversary celebration, which will commence in the next few days. And today, with the centre declaring it as Parakram Divas, of course, has again sparked a row, because the Trinamool Congress says that the BJP does not understand the culture of West Bengal, and it's not what the people wanted. They need Desh Prem Divas to be given as Netaji's birth date here. And on the other hand, of course, we are seeing how, Bengal icons have become a very important issue this election here in West Bengal. And of course, Netaji being the new tug-of-war between the BJP and the Trinamool Congress here.
Right, Shreyasi, thank you very much for joining us with those details. We also have a reaction coming in from Kailash Vijayvargiya on this. Let's listen in.
और पराक्रम दिवस का नाम देकर निश्चित रूप से उनको सम्मानित किया है, और मेरा ऐसा मानना है व्यक्तिगत रूप से कि छुट्टी से ज़्यादा उस दिन लोग ज़्यादा काम करें देश के लिए, ये ज़्यादा अच्छा है।